ridge installation. Temporarily support the ridge assembly in the correct position. Start the ridge assembly by attaching the Victorian hip bars to the boss end. Slot the holes in the top of the spar over the M5 by 25 mm bolts in the ridge. Slot the holes at the bottom of the Victorian hip bar over the M5 bolts located in the bolt retainers that sit either side of the eaves beam corner. Loosely screw on the M5 locking nuts without tightening. Repeat on the other side. Attach the first starter bar over the single bolt retainer in the eaves beam. Locate the holes in the top of the starter spar over the M5 by 25 mm bolt in the ridge. Loosely screw on the M5 locking nuts without tightening. Use your installation guide to carry out checks. Drill and fix the wall bars using fixings positioned 150 mm from each end and no more than 600 mm apart, avoiding mortar beds. Some fixings shown in this DVD are for studio build only. Please refer to your installation guide for the correct fixings required.